Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I've got a chainsaw that I'm about to start up from cold. Yeah, it's a McCulloch, the CS420T, and it's a 2012 model, and I'm going to start it up from cold. So I'm just going to sort of show you guys how I do it. So here we go. So I'm just going to put it on position. And I am going to prime the bowl 6 times. Pull the choke out full. And then now just push the choke in halfway and it should start up. And that's how you start up a chainsaw from cold. Well, this particular brand anyway. Anyway, cheers.